Cool. Hey everybody, it's Scott down in Southern California. I thought I'd give you a little bit more of a sound video, giving you the exhaust and the engine sound off a brand new BMW 435 Convertible. Do a little walk around here. We've got an M Sport, pretty much loaded 435 Convertible. Go back here and do the exhaust first. Go for it, Steve. Not bad, huh? We're going to go underneath the hood so you can hear it there. All right. There we go. Also, one thing I wanted to show you is one other thing here at the end of the video is show you the top go down. Yeah, let's do the top, Steve. I never get tired watching this thing fold up. One thing that's really neat too is look how low the trunk lid is compared to some of the other competitors out there, like the Lexus hardtop convertible or even the Volkswagen hardtop. Like how low and streamlined that back is. Great visibility for the driver. Cool, Steve, get another rev. One thing that's great about this too is think about it being a driver with the top down, racing through the canyons. Alright guys, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe.